What is up, guys? Sorry for coming halfway through what I'm already doing. You know, there's been a lot of shit going on. So I've been trying to do a few projects and I keep forgetting to hit record. Today I'm making a spoiler for my car by myself. I got a hold of some acrylic. Sorry for not updating you on the exhaust. It is here. I have it already mocked up, ready to go. The guy that I was gonna have weld my exhaust ended up passing away. So right now, like I said, I'm making my spoiler. This is where I'm at. I made a template of how I wanted it to look. Here's a template. I matched it up on each side, measure, you know, since it was 4 feet, measured 2 feet. Then I cut out what I wanted, mocked it up onto the other side, halfway. Right now I'm cutting it, so we're gonna finish cutting the rest of it. Like, again, I'm sorry for coming in so, you know, late, halfway through basically of this whole build, but I'll try to keep you guys updated through each step as I go. So yeah.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them.
Pretty much where or how I want the wing to be. I don't know if you can see my lines. You know, I'm gonna sand down to there. I'm gonna smooth out some of the edges. I'm gonna taper where my bends are gonna be, so it's not, you know, catching the trapped air, you know, while it's coming down. Then I also gonna bend here. I want it to be something like this on the back of my car. This is by far the cheapest way that I think of doing this. So I'm gonna change everything out, get a new bit in, you know, get as close as I can. You see this line? Then I'm gonna sand it down to a smooth finish. Then I'm gonna end up bending here. you guys can see where I'm at on the line. We're pretty much close to it. So I'm getting where I can stand the rest, but I can't. So if you look where I'm at, my line's here. I'm right there. So it's gonna take about like 2 hours, I would assume, to do it by hand. You know, to get it all nice and smooth, to finish it. So I'm not gonna do a 2-hour video. I'm gonna, you know, give it to you in sections. Next part, this, that, and the other. All right, so that's where I feel comfortable on sanding it by hand. You know, I'm like right on that edge. There's a couple rough spots, a couple high spots, a couple low spots. But once you start doing it by hand, you can feel where everything is. I'm also going to be wet sanding it too, so start off with 150, you know, 500, then 1,000 to finish it off. Then I'm going to take that 1,000, scuff it up, and paint it. I don't know if I'm going to match the color of my car or if I'm just going to leave it black. I like black and gray. Black, gray, and red. Alright, catch you on the next update. Alright guys, this is where I'm at so far. Trying to clear the gaps. I got a strap, 2 buckets full of water, weights to get the spots that are high in the middle, you know, because this wants to bend up. I wish I had different straps. I don't like this, you know, I kind of scuffed up over here. I'm gonna need to, you know, fix the paint, sand it down, see what I could do. But all the gaps are cleared. It seems to be molded right. The only thing I don't like is this side is a little bit further than this side. So I might come in, put a little heat, a little pressure right there, because I don't mind it being in the center. It's over here that I'm not liking. I'm also not sure if I want it that long. But we'll see. We will definitely see. And this is where we're at. So yeah, I'm gonna put brackets here. I'm gonna use acrylic. I'm gonna make like a nice little line and line. I don't want it to, you know, flop while I'm driving and fall off. I don't know, guys, what do you think? You like it? Hate it? I like it.